Welcome to TNP. Today we are going to discuss about geographic coordinates. In the planet Earth, in every given point there is a specific geographic coordinate and they are labeled with latitude and longitude. So for us to be able to define latitude and longitude, there are a few terms we need to understand. And the first is the equator. The equator is also known as the Great Circle. It is the circle dividing the Earth into two equal halves. The upper half is known as the northern hemisphere. In short, it is called the north. And the lower half is known as the southern hemisphere. In short, it is called the south. So the latitude of the equator is 0 degrees. The next term we need to understand is the parallel. It is also known as parallel of latitude. These are lines of equal segment parallel to the equator. And the next is the Greenwich Meridian. Though the painting is in green, but in real life situation it is not green. The Greenwich Meridian is the pole dividing the Earth into two equal halves. The right half side is called the eastern hemisphere. In short, it is called the east. And the left half side is called the west. And the longitude of the Greenwich Meridian is 0 degrees. The last but not the least is the meridian. These are lines of equal segment parallel to the Greenwich Meridian, and they can be referred to as poles. So these are the terms we need to understand. The equator, which is the great circle dividing the Earth into two halves, into northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. And the parallels of latitudes are line segments or circles which are parallel to the equator. And the Greenwich Meridian is the pole dividing the Earth into two equal halves. The left hand side is the western hemisphere and the right hand side is the eastern hemisphere. And the meridian are the parallels, lines that are parallel to the Greenwich Meridian. So these are the terms we need to understand in order to be able to define latitude and longitude. In the next video, we are going to define latitude. If you do have any question, please type in your question in the comment box below. I'll be able to answer your question. And please do subscribe, share among your friends who are studying maritime navigation. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.